this caught my eye. It's actually pretty hard to miss.
Yeah, it is.
Pretty hard to miss. And what's cool about this, you've been kind of tooling around here all day. You're just kind of cruising the show. Yeah,
that's what it's all about.
It's riding low and slow.
That's it.
Yeah. So, okay, what is it?
Well, originally started as a 34 Pontiac, model 309, which is their touring model.
Yeah.
It came pretty much, it comes with dual spare tires on each side of the fenders.
Side fender mounts? Yeah,
side fender mounts.
Oh, that's what I see.
Yeah, well, these fenders are actually out of a 29 Studebaker.
Did it have side
and it
mounts
came
too?
like that factory.
Wow, how about that?
And I pretty much, it was, it's a family project. It was pretty much my wife's idea to build something to spend time with the kids. And it was right through COVID.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, you had a lot of time.
Yes,
everybody had a lot of time.
There was nothing else to do than just have fun and build stuff.
So what's it on? What's the frame?
I made my own frame.
Okay.
Yeah, the frame is 2x4 3/16 walls.
Okay.
With a full X frame in the middle. All my gusset plates are 1/4 inch plates on it. I'm a truck mechanic by trade and a fabricator.
Okay. So this is not your first rodeo.
Actually, it is my first build like this.
It's the first one you built, really?
Yeah. I mean, I have restored a couple of cars and stuff like that, but nothing crazy like this.
Well, so what's the cow catcher? I mean,
I made my own cow catcher.
You made your own cow catcher. That thing would actually catch cows.
I think so. I think it will, with no problem.
And you've got you got Chief Pontiac there.
Yes.
You got to have that.
Yeah.
What's your other?
It's the
Oh, it's another Pontiac
Yeah, the
badge.
emblem is the original for 34.
No kidding.
The Chief hat is actually for 32.
Okay.
My wife couldn't get the 34 one. That was a Christmas present from her.
Oh, nice.
Because the 34 is actually the cheapest that I found is $1,500.
Ouch.
Yes.
Yo, well, how about the headlights? What are they?
Those are 1914 Ford.
Okay.
And my turn signals are 1912s.
Oh, wow. Those actually look like carbide. They don't even look electric. It looks like you're throwing the pellets and light them.
Yeah, pretty much. And they're all LEDs.
Oh, really?
All my lights are LEDs. They're bright. Yes. And the top light, it'll blind you.
What's that off of?
A 36 Chevy.
So you've just been amassing parts for a bunch of time, or?
Pretty much, as I started working on it, I just kept going online and face the marketplace, and you start searching, and
stuff appears.
Yep.
That's one of the good things about the internet. You know, you don't have to slog through a muddy swap meet field. You can do it in your underwear at home. Yeah.
Which I don't mind going through a swap meet either. I love them.
Yeah, I do too. Yeah. But this is easier.
Yes.
It's easier.
I mean, you can find them in the middle of the night before you go to sleep. You be online. There's been time I had left my house 10, 11 o'clock at night, drive 2 hours to pick up the car, to be up next morning at 3 o'clock in the morning to go to work.
Holy cow.
Yeah.
These are truck wheels.
Yes, yeah. Now, the front ones came out of a medium duty tow truck.
Okay.
They're 19.5s. The back ones are actually 22.5 from a semi truck.
Jeez. And what are your brakes? Those are
factory from the axles are out of a 90 F450.
Oh, wow. Jeez.
Diesel pickup truck.
Holy cow.
So the brake setup is original.
Those are some big brakes.
Yes. They're dual piston calipers.
Wow.
And with this one, I went with a rack and pinion setup.
And you had to create all of that
setup.
Bend around on your steering gear. Wow, yeah.
Because I didn't want the stern box. Everybody does stern box.
2, 3, 4, 5. There's at least 5 knuckles there.
Yes. And there's 0 behind.
Really?
Yeah.
No kidding. So is it power?
Power steering, yeah.
Wow.
Desktop, 1 finger, you could turn it.
No.
With no
Seriously?
problem. Yeah.
And you're on bags there.
Yes.
Holy cow.
And it has
what are you running for an engine?
It's a 350 Pontiac out of a 70 Bonneville. Nice. Carolina.
So you actually have a Pontiac engine?
Yes, I do. I didn't want to go.
I respect that.
I didn't want to go with a Chevy. Everybody does Chevy. Everybody does Cummins. I was like, you know what? I'm going to keep it Pontiac. It's great. Only right to do it.
It is. I got to agree. So, Lionel?
Yes, they are.
Why?
The name of the truck is Trainwreck.
Perfect.
It just flows with it.
It sure does. And it's a cool touch. I mean, I never would have thought of model train tracks used this way. I just think it's really cool.
Well, because when I built it, I was actually doing the running boards. I was like, well, I need some sort of grip so when we step on it, if it's wet, we're not sliding.
It's actually functional.
Yes, they are.
How about that? You know, and I noticed earlier, your fenders like float.
You know, most people mount them on the chassis.
Yeah.
Mine's are mounted right on the front axle, and right in the back of the suspension.
So the relationship to the wheels always stays
Always
the same.
stays the same height. No matter what's the right height, they're always sitting nice and close to the tires.
That's nice. That's nice.
And when you make a full turn, you get maybe a finger gap on the fender.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Wow. What's the brass whistle?
Yes, brass steam whistle is hooked up to my air tank.
And just blast it off of that.
Yep.
Wow.
And on the other side, I have a brass bell hooked up to
a
door lock popper with a flasher. So it'll always have the same beat. Yep, constantly.
Ding.
Instead of me having to sit there with a string and try to keep the same beat, which never works.
It's just doing it, right?
Yes.
So inside, what's the dash? Those are
dash is original. The clusters are autometer clusters.
Okay.
Vintage style. I try to keep as original as I could. And pretty much it's a M22 transmission. Rock crusher.
Rock crusher.
Yes.
So that's the drive shaft.
That is the drive shaft.
It's right there.
Yes, it
is. It goes around.
Yeah.
Kind of fast sometimes. Yeah.
Okay. But it has a nice drive shaft loop, which ain't going nowhere.
Well, that ain't going nowhere.
That's a 3/4 inch U-bolt for suspension on the truck.
Yeah, but if I don't have my mustache curled, I could get it caught in there, and that would be different.
Yes, it would. And then on this one, I kept the factory e-brake handle with a master cylinder, so it has e-brake on the back. On the back, it actually has 4 calibers on the back.
Oh wow!
2 for the regular brakes and 2 for the e-brake.
Wow!
Because I've seen a lot of people build cars, and that's the last thing they remember. Yeah. Oh, maybe I should have put an e-brake in case something happened.
Kind of comes in handy sometimes.
Yes, it does.
Especially in emergencies.
Yes, it does.
Hence the name.
Yes.
Right?
Plus, the truck is manual.
Yeah.
If I want to start it up, let it warm up, I will have to put wheel chucks on it. I'm not walking around with wheel chucks.
That's great.
I was like, you know what? I wanted to keep as much original stuff that I had, which wasn't much at that point.
Yeah. Suicide?
Yes.
Suicide
factory.
door? Factory suicide?
Yep. And on the doors, I actually cut the doors and made them square and eliminated the wheel arch out of it.
Yeah. So and then these are stainless?
Aluminum.
Okay.
Yeah, polished aluminum.
And what's this?
That's just a trunk where I keep all my tools and something just so.
These are. Raul, these are serious tires.
Yeah, those are semi-truck wheels.
Semi-truck wheels.
Yes.
Wow. And
those are 22.5s.
What are these?
Those are railroad lanterns.
They really are?
Yes, they are. When I started the truck, since I was a truck mechanic, I know I want a truck theme. I was like, I want train horn and stuff like that. Then me and my wife, we went to an antique shop and we seen those. I was like, I don't want no regular taillights on it.
Well, these are not regular taillights.
So I seen them hanging. And I was like, my wife pointed out. I was like, you know what? I said, I like those. And I was talking to the lady at the place, and she was like, yeah, those are actual railroad. I didn't know they were railroad lanterns.
Yeah.
I had no idea. When she told me they were railroad lanterns, I'm like, oh, you know what?
How much you want for
I'm going to go with that theme. And I actually paid $300 for the pair.
Wow.
Yes.
But they make the rear end, I think. That's just so cool.
Yeah.
So what's under the cover?
Under, I have pretty much just a fuel tank, battery, air compressors. I have a train horn set up.
Big ass horns.
Yes.
Holy cow!
Yeah, those things are loud.
They look loud.
Yeah.
They look very loud.
Yeah, most on there when they get mounted on trucks, they usually run at 125 psi. I have these at 160.
Yeah. So you did all the suspension work and everything?
Yes, I did everything on myself.
I mean, did you have to? There's some engineering there.
Yeah, and I've been told that, and they even asked me what kind of program that I use in the computer.
Yeah.
None of that stuff. No. Everything was all pretty much out of my brain, and just let's roll the dice, see what comes out of it.
So what's the axle setup?
The axle is a Dana 80 out of a 90 F450.
And then shortened like crazy, right? No?
Factory width.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Factory width, and just made wheel adapters for those wheels, and that was it.
What am I looking at? Oh, is that your compressor?
Yeah, those are my 2 air compressors.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it.
And then I have a friend of mine, he has a mud truck that he's running those same setup of links. His truck is 15,000 pounds. Those links are rated for 50,000 pounds.
What does this weigh?
5,400 pounds.
Yeah, I thought it would have been more than that, actually. There's a lot of air, though.
Yes. Well, just the rear alone, with the rear and tires and wheels, it's 1,000 pounds.
Oh.
I got about 1,000 pounds in the front axle, too.
So that's where it all is.
Yes, it is.
Wow. So I got to believe, people are like pretty taken by it. You're cruising around here and everybody's looking at it, taking pictures, digging it, totally digging it.
It's definitely one of a kind. That's what I was kind of going for, and I think I may have nailed it.
I think you totally nailed it. Close that back up, Raul. I just dig this thing. So it is, as the sign says back here, it is the Pontiac.
The Pontiac, yes.
That is, I tell you, man, this is so cool. How do you like Wild Hot Rod Weekend?
Oh, I love it. My kids love it.
Isn't it a blast?
Oh, yeah.
I love this show.
Yeah, I used to come once just on the Saturdays,
Yeah.
and then my daughter was like, why do we come more days? she loves it. And I was like, you want to come with this? Okay, no problem.
We'll come more days.
I said, you know what? I'll take those days off from work.
I think it was worth it.
Oh, yes, it is.
I got to see it.
Yes, it is.
Raul, 1934 Pontiac Monster.
Yes.
The Pontiac.
Yep. Trainwreck.
Trainwreck.
Trainwreck.